class! Today we are going to be working on creating and organizing your Google website for your portfolio for your writing from the semester. Now, as you all know, one of our assignments right now is to create the site in order to display and reflect on how your writing has gone this semester, and so that others can look back and see how you've grown. Now, we're going to be using Google Sites in order to create this portfolio so that others can easily access it. So if you get to Google Sites, it's just sites.google.com. It's going to bring you up to this page, and as long as you are logged in with your Gmail account, you will be able to create a site. So if you're not logged in with your Gmail account, make sure to do so, and once you get this page and it tells you that you can create, we're going to go create. And then we are going to do just a blank template. That's all we have to do at the moment. And to name your site, I want you to make it 12th grade writing portfolio, and then your last name so that we can easily identify who's who. Now once you do that, 12th grade writing portfolio and then your last name, it's going to create your URL for you. And then you're going to use this to prove you're human so that you can create your site. Obviously, I cannot prove I'm human. So once I have, we're just going to go create site. It's going to take a minute to load up. So while it's loading, just be thinking about sort of the look you want your overall site to have. All right, and it's going to come up with a very blank template. So the first thing we're going to do, just to make it a little bit more exciting and so that you don't have such a blank template to look at, is we are going to go into Settings, and we are going to go to Manage Site. And under Managing Site, you have themes, colors, and fonts so that you can adjust the way that your page looks. Now, it is tempting, I know, to go for a really, really fun one. Like, I really like the palm trees down here. I think they look really fun, but we want to go for a more professional look with our portfolio. So something really simple. It can have colors, but nothing too unusual. This is going to be a really professional look with the purple and everything. So that's what I'm going to do. So once I've chosen my desired color, I'm going to go Save. And then I am going to go back to my portfolio, and I'm going to work on getting the navigation bar on the side set up. So the way I'm going to do this is, first of all, instead of doing a home page, I want you all to do a welcome page. You'll add your own note of welcome later, but this at least will change this right here to welcome. And then we're going to create our first page after welcome, which is going to be first writing assignment. This is, of course, where you're going to put your first writing assignment later, and then you're going to write a reflection on it, but we're just going to start so that we have this here so I can show you how to set up the toolbar, navigation bar on the side. So once you have that page created, we are going to edit the site layout. And it's going to make it look like this, so all these change. So first of all, I really kind of want to get rid of the site maps because the site maps doesn't help you at all. So you're going to click on it. It's going to pull up this configure navigation. You're going to click the site maps and get rid of it. Okay. And that should make that disappear. And then we are going to add a new navigation. So once you get in there, it's going to be add navigation. And we're going to change the navigation, and we're going to put portfolio. And then we are going to add pages under here. So this is kind of like a header, and then underneath are going to be the pages that fall under your portfolio. And of course, your first writing assignment is going to be under the portfolio. So you hit OK once that's done. It's going to show up there. But then we don't want the first writing assignment in two places. So you're going to go back into this first navigation bar, and you are going to uncheck the automatically organize because you want to organize it yourself. You're going to add a page, and you're going to add just the welcome page. So that just the welcome is going to show up over on that side. And once you do that, it's going to have welcome and then your portfolio separate from that because there are going to be other things we're going to be putting at the top, but you don't have to worry about those now. So when you close, you can navigate back and forth between your welcome and your first writing assignment, and we'll have other writing assignments put under the portfolio as well. But just get started. So I want you guys to complete the rest of this tonight, create your own page, and then get your portfolio sidebar started. And choose, of course, a color that is appealing to you. I like the purple. So good luck, guys. I'll see you in class tomorrow.